guys, welcome back to my channel and today's video. So today's video is a healthy kids food video. There's just a few recipes for you guys, and this video is actually a collaboration with the food company Mia and Ben. They got in touch with me and asked me if I would like to review their baby pouches, and straight away I went on the website and fell in love with them because they are 100% organic and plant-based. They have 0 additives and preservatives in their pouches. They're high in vitamin C and they're cold pressed, which means that when they are sealed in the pouches, they actually lock in all of the goodness, so they're preserving minerals and vitamins and all the good stuff, and there's no nasties in them. And so I agreed to review their baby pouches and let Hope try them. They have to be kept in the fridge because they are fresh, and obviously that makes me happy as a mom to give my baby fresh fruit that I haven't had to stand, peel, cook, mash, blend and all of that, because I've done that 3 times. I'm a mom of 3, so I have done the whole weaning thing 3 times now, and I do like my kids to eat healthy, and these are amazing in my opinion because there's no nasties hidden in there. But you can find them in many shops now. I will link them all in the description where you can get them from, and there is a link in the description straight to their site, so you can find everything there that you need. But definitely be sure to go and check them out because they are really good, and they're getting involved in the minute in a campaign for HUMMUS. But I'll talk a little bit about that in another video, or I might just share with you guys on Instagram. Be sure to follow me on there if you're not already, because we have some fun posts coming up and I think you're gonna like them. that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to go and check out Mia and Ben. I'll leave everything you guys need in the description box below, and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.